What's happening in 5th grade? So today we're going to complete our shoes and finally turn them in. I wanted to talk to you about a brand called Vans. So they're really popular right now, and they were really popular when I was growing up. What they're known for is like skateboarding shoes, but they've also turned into custom shoes. So a lot of people take their shoes and customize them. So we're going to take that idea and do that today. You guys are going to start today by creating your own Vans shoe. We're not going to get it in person, but it's going to be cool to see how different you can make it. Before we begin, think about what type of shoe a person would buy. Are they looking for a comfort shoe? Are they looking for a classic shoe that blends in? Or are they looking for something crazy and stylish because they want to stand out? So think about your customer of your shoe before we begin. Okay guys, we're going to take the first maybe 5-10 minutes or so to be designing our introduction shoe on the Vans website. What I want you to do is I want you to go to Art at Home, 5th grade, and then give me a thumbs up so I know that we're ready to start designing. All right. Next, we're going to go to classwork, so click that middle button. This week, we're on virtual stations. So yes, we are going to be doing virtual stations after this. Unless you haven't completed your shoe project, then that's what you need to work on. All right, we're going to open up the 1, 2, 3 and give it a second to load. Give me a thumbs up once it's loaded. All right, well, right now we're watching the video. Then we're going to be completing the project, and then we have some virtual stations I want you to try out. But just for the introduction of today, let's try out designing a Vans shoe. So I just want you to watch first. You can obviously design yours however, but I want to show you how to get through the website because there's a bunch of ads and a bunch of screens you have to pass. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link. This is going to be the customization for your Vans shoe, so you'll see the Vans logo. All right, so hopefully you've thought about what kind of shoe you want to make. Let's go ahead and press the black Customize button. And we'll wait. First, it's going to ask you what kind of style. So think about the style of your customer, unless the customer is you, if you're buying this. Slip-ons tend to be very comfortable, but maybe if you're more stylish, you probably want the skate high or the, I don't know, if this one looks more athletic. So just kind of think about what you want to do. I'm going to be more of this skate shoe. I want something a little bit more stylish. Then you get to choose more of the design. Do you want to add a image to this? Do you want a pro? Look through the ones you want. There are different prices as well. I'm just going to click this very first one. And yes, you got to click the money, but we're not going to buy anything, of course. Unless you got $1 million for me. I'll buy all the shoes you want. All right, so now we are on the Vans custom screen. So this time you can add colors. Feel free to click around. You can add a stripe of some sort. What else we got? Yeah, so it'll take you through each part. You don't have to do just the solid colors. So right now I'm on the solids. I guess right now they're having a Simpsons theme. You could do patterns. So if you're into that checkerboard pattern right now, you could totally, like, let's make the body of the shoe. I don't know. I'm just clicking on random stuff like embroidery. You could type something in. I'm just going to put hi. Let's see what happens. And then the right shoe. Maybe there's something different on the right shoe. How about bye? All right. Set a color. I'm just going to go with whatever's already there. And so now you're going to have text on your shoe. That's interesting. But like I said, I want you guys to really try this out. I'm going to work on this for a little bit and then show you what I came up with. Use your finger and even touch on different areas where you want to change it. Patterns, materials, whatever you feel like. Okay guys, I'm going to give you about maybe 4 or 5 minutes to customize your Vans shoe. And then I'm going to show you how you can take a photo of this and then I'm going to print it for you. Adding some different designs and patterns. I'm giving you the option of having this printed for you. I would love to print these out and put them in the hallway or even just give it to you if you would like. But I need you to focus and follow these directions if you want it to do it because I'm only going to go over it once because I can't do it for everyone. There's 2 keys that you need to press if you want a picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to find, an angle that you like. Do you want a picture like looking down the shoe where you can see the logo? I tend to like it where you can see the front and the back, like right there. You're going to press 2 keys. You're going to press Control. And then you're going to press this button right here, which I think is the window button, if I'm not mistaken. I just call it that weird button with a square. You're going to press the Control and that button at the same time. So watch carefully. Control, and I'm doing this with one hand. You can do it with both. And that button. Did it work? Bam, there is my screenshot. Now it is in our downloads. The only way that I can print this out is if you share it with me. So it's gonna be what we're turning in today. So now what I want you to do, we have that screenshot, it's saved. You're gonna go to classwork and you're gonna find week 9 virtual stations. Give me a thumbs up once you found it. All right, so we have our screenshot. If not, you need to go back and do that control and then that weird button. You're going to click on view assignment. This is how you send it to me. You need to put it in this add or create button. So you're going to press add or create, click file. You're going to need to find that file. You're going to press upload, browse. No, not the browse in the face. And it should be in your download screen. We've done this once before. Let's see if we can find it. It's totally wrong. It is not in your downloads. It's actually in your Google Drive. Click My Drive, and if you scroll, you should see that screenshot somewhere over here. Screenshot, double click. You should see it loading, and then press turn in. Make sure that it's attached, turn in, and then I have it. I will print this for you, so I will copy and paste this into my own Google document and have that printed, which will be pretty cool. All right, so we have finished our introduction. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up once you have it submitted, and then we'll move on. All right, guys. Well, if you have not finished your shoe drawing, that today is your last day to work on it. Make sure that you've gone over your lines with the Sharpie, added some color. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. You're done. You're good. If you are done, you can go back to the 1, 2, 3 slide. On number 3 is some virtual stations. I'm going to briefly show you what's in there. They should look like this. It's a bunch of different activities for you to do. I didn't want to overwhelm you with stuff to do today, so I'm trying to give you a day where you can kind of choose. If you're going to try the virtual stations, I would recommend putting it on present. Makes it a little bit easier to get between the slides and make it work. So if you're interested in the science of art or science of color, I have some videos here I would love for you to watch. You don't have to watch them. But if you are going to watch them, just please make sure that your volume is down low so you're not bothering people, or you can wear your headphones. I'm going to click out of here. Let's say I didn't want to do that after all. You can press the arrow buttons. Here is where you can learn to draw some things. I've put some just different animals, different randoms. There's even like pizza and a hamburger. Let's say I want to learn how to do a hamburger. You could click it open. The cool thing about a video and doing it step by step is you don't have to wait for me, that you can just pause this, rewind it as much as you want until you get the drawing that you like. Where are you doing your drawings? You can do them in your sketchbook. Any blank page is fine. You can use those blank pages. All right. Over here, I have some more videos. Some people were interested in just doing like a free draw and then having some background noise. So if you want to listen to like a relaxing art book or something like that while you work, that's totally fine. Or you can listen to headphones while you do free draw. But this is full of different things. There's even games on this slide. I haven't tried these games yet. I heard that they're fun. They're from the Tate Modern Museum. But yeah, check these out. See if you like them. Tell me which one's your favorite. Try at least 2 activities. And this is what we're doing today. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week.